Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the Burberry Peyton TB Monogram leather crossbody. Now we picked up this item from the outlet store actually as a birthday present for my mother. So Mom, because I know you're watching, go ahead and check the top shelf of my closet for a not so secretive surprise. Above all, happy birthday, Mom. Now, for everyone else, go ahead and give a like and subscribe to this video in honor of Mom's birthday. Let's get into the unboxing. So it comes in a very cute light green pastel dust bag, which I guess was Burberry's thing for the season. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the tag. I know that because this one was at the outlet, it might be a little bit more challenging to find, but they are still around. I really did like this bag as a really nice staple crossbody. Very good for every day. You can throw it around. You can create a clutch with it by removing the strap, as you see right now. It doesn't have the strap, it is inside the pouch. So it is a very versatile bag, and that's why we chose it for our dear mother. All right, so getting a good look at the exterior of the bag, you can see that this is a really nice pebbled black leather, which I do think makes it a little bit more upscale or just a little bit more interesting for everyday use. I also do think that this is going to hide any blemishes that it might get, especially from wearing it every day and throwing it around. It will get scuffed up a little bit, but at least with that texturization, you're going to see those marks a little bit less. Okay, getting a good look at the inside, you can see that this is adorned with the Nova check on the inside. It feels a little bit more like a canvas material. And on one side, you do have a few card slot holders. So that's great organization for, things that you need to grab easily. I personally wouldn't use this as a wallet for like credit cards and ID and things like that. But, little notes that you need running around or like a garage parking pass or things like that. Now, as I mentioned, this does come with a crossbody strap. It is adjustable, as you'll see here. It doesn't have too terribly many holes to allow you to adjust the size of it. I will show you that when we go ahead and try this on, but keep in mind that you do always have the opportunity of creating a few more holes yourself. I've done that quite often with some belts that I've purchased, and there are some tools that you can buy on Amazon for about $10 that will help you do the trick. Now this bag comes with silver hardware, which you can see in the logo on the front of the pouch, as well as in the sides where the crossbody strap attaches. I really love the contrast of the jet black leather against this bright, brilliant silver hardware. I'm sure it will shine just as much as the twinkle in your mom's eye when you tell her I love you. All right, so let's go ahead and try this on. So we're trying this on with our Cole Haan raincoat, which we actually unboxed and tried on this channel as well. We did leave a few links in the description, so if you're interested in the raincoat itself, be sure to check that out. Now, taking a look at the crossbody itself, it is a really great size. As I showed before, with the hand measurement, there's a lot of space in here. It's not like you're going to kind of try and slam everything in there. It will definitely fit your phone, a wallet, sunglasses, a few other essentials, things like that. So this is really a easy bag to use every day, and we know that Mom will love it. Thanks so much for watching, and again, be sure to subscribe.